All right, y'all, here is my creation. Here's the flat four, the 238cc flat four engine generator, which is crazy. This is just a little motor off of a Razor dirt bike. It's the 350. I don't really know what that stands for, but I took it off of there and I was like, let me try to connect this thing to my engine. So I did, and surprisingly simple. I got this stand. It did not take much at all. Just made an engine stand for the engine so this thing doesn't move. Line the hose up with the generator. As you can see, I think the M6s, M6 screws holding the generator in place. And this thing is it's the complete setup right here. I still gotta put something, I don't know, it'll be cool if I had LED lights going all around the engine stand or something like that, so when the engine's running, it's lighting the whole engine stand up. But instead, I got this small light that came out of a flashlight that I can just connect right there. But that is nothing, because look how big the generator is. And it's just going to this small little light. But this is still cool because it's my first generator. Shout out to Engine Generated. Shout out to Engine Generated. And y'all let me know if y'all want this on Maker World, this stand right here, so y'all can pull a motor off of a Razor dirt bike that nobody's using anymore and use it as a generator for your flat four engine. And also the flat four engine is on Maker World, so the whole thing right here, the whole setup except for the generator. Let me know if y'all want that on Maker World or not. But let's test this thing out. I might have to do something with these ends. Probably tape them to this part right here for the LED. But let's hook it up to the air compressor and let's see how it works. All right, y'all, so the other light that I had, it wasn't working anymore, so I upgraded the light to a bigger thing. It's come out of a car headlight, so I'm gonna be using this for the test. Let's hook it up. Let's turn the lights off. All right, y'all, we got this thing working pretty good. And put it closer to the engine. Is it burning? Or I think this thing was burning this little thing right here. This thing is getting hot. I'm probably putting too much power through the thing. This thing is probably about to blow the light. Yeah, something's burning. I can smell it. But yeah, that's pretty cool, y'all. This is my first time making a engine generator, an air engine generator. Is this a success? All right, let's give this thing another test. they look so nice. If you need a generator, download this on MakerWorld. I'm gonna put this frame on MakerWorld, or this whole stand. So just in case you come across one of these little motors right here, you can just print out this stand and turn this thing to a generator. It's pretty cool. You can power anything, but our first test was this light and it was successful. It's just hot. It's very hot. Y'all let me know how y'all like this thing. I like it. Got some weight to it. Of course, this is the heaviest thing on it, but this whole thing is, I mean, you can still very portable.